Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Thursday, October 24th. Well, the mini streak is over. After 4 consecutive record days in a row in the E-mini S&P, things did back off yesterday, gave up the gains from Tuesday. So market closed down 7 3/4 at 1741 3/4 in the E-mini S&P. The low of the session was 1734.5, so that's a point to keep an eye on here in the near term anyways. Dow futures down 47, 15,351, and the biggest loser in the indexes was the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq was down 16.5 at 3346 for a 0.6% loss. Currencies were quiet. The dollar was up 4, 79.33, still pushing down on the 79 level, and the euro currency 137.81 down 4. The high of the session was 137.95, trying to continue this upward movement from there. The target is 140 from a technical standpoint after trading in a range between 132 and 136. That's the technical target on the upside. Bonds were up about half a point, 135.15, as yields continue to be compressed. Crude oil was the big loser of the day, down $1.44, 96.86, the lowest point since July. 96.16 was the low. Again, we're going to keep an eye on crude oil at the 100 pivot level on a weekly basis. And lastly was gold, down $9 at 13.34 after we've had some good firmness in that market here recently. So after the little mini correction yesterday, where did the market stand on this Thursday morning to start the new trading day? Well, we're getting back the losses from yesterday. Actually, we're at 1749.5, up 7 3/4, so we're positive 0.5% right now as we stand. And looking at the Dow index right now, we're up 67 at 15,417. Lastly, in the indexes, the Nasdaq's up 14 at 3354 to erase all the losses from yesterday, essentially. Looking at the dollar, we're down 13, 79.20, pushing to the downside one more time. That's got the euro above 138, 138.02, up 21. Bonds are steady, 135.11, down 4. The yield on the 30 years at 3.58. The yield on the 10 years at 2.50. Crude, finally positive here, up 30 cents at 97.16. Keep an eye on that. And lastly, gold's at $13.40, up $6. We're right near this halfway point from that August peak to the October lows. So we'll look to see if we can push above that and extend these gains once again in gold. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're getting back the losses from yesterday, 1749.5 in the E-mini S&P, up 7 3/4, and up 67 in the Dow futures. I will see you early Friday morning for the morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.